Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Those are some smoked oysters. That's what they look like. And these are some smoked mussels. And that's what they look like. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today's another Why Eat. These are Why Eat Mollusks, or mollusks, depends on how you pronounce it in different parts of the world, which are also considered shellfish, but there's different types of shellfish. Shellfish also includes, besides mollusks, crustaceans, which are considered your shrimp or your squid or your lobster. But mollusks are mostly bivalves, like clams, mussels, and oysters. All right, that's a big explanation. But why should you eat them? I got to tell you, they're low-fat, high-protein bombers. They're great sources of protein, great sources of your omegas. Let's take a look at them while I talk. Your omegas, which are good for your heart, and they're good for your immune system. You can get those from different types of fish oils. They're high in calcium, they're high in vitamin C and A, vitamins B12, there's zinc, and like I said, they're loaded with protein. So a good source of protein that's low fat and low calorie. These are very low calories. Eating mollusks are very, very good for you. There's different ways to eat them. These are just smoked, so they are cooked. You can eat them raw, you can slurp them down. You've seen oyster bars. Mussels prepared in a nice big bowl where they open up and then they put that buttery, garlicky sauce and you dip it with bread. That's one of the greatest things in the world. Wow. So why else should you eat these delicacies? These are the mussels. They're high in calcium. They're good for your immune system. They're good for fighting anemia, good for weight loss. Now these oysters here are also good for mental health. Also they have zinc, iron, selenium, very low cal, high protein foods. Well, let's not mess around. Food that's good for you has to also taste good, so Mike's gonna dip into these mollusks, first the mussels, and then the oysters. Let's check it out. These are the mussels. All right. Smell good? Oh, baby. When they're smoked like this, they have a smoky taste, but very chewy, delicious. Add these to salads, eat them with crackers, eat them as a snack. Oh boy, those are good. Healthy for you. These are mussels, part of the mollusk family. Now these are the oysters. They could be a little slimier. That's a big one, that's what she said. Try it. Oh! Oysters have a great taste to them. Guys and gals, you gotta try this. Why should you eat mollusks? From the bivalve family, oysters, mussels, clams, quahogs, because they're delicious and they're super good for you. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. Until next time, eat your bivalves. Baba.
Live life 365.
Mollusks. Now these are the, like I said, they're, oh! That one's broken. Woo! That's crazy.